promise Santa's coming to visit.
Good morning. Good morning. How are we? We're gonna have a nice Christmassy day today. Last night was the first snow day of the year. It snowed all night in New York and woke up with a blanket of snow, which is nice, but it will get disgusting and dirty very quickly. Since there's snow on the ground, I felt like today should be a really Christmassy day. So today I'm gonna make some Christmas cookies. I'm very excited. I always loved baking. Actually all night last night we watched the Great British Baking Show, one of my favorite shows. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. It's on Netflix and it's so like wholesome and happy, and I love it. Anyway, so it really got me in the baking mood and now I am ready to bake all day. It's gonna take some time because you need to like chill the baking dough for a couple hours in order to get like a nice shape. I have some cookie cutters and we're just gonna have a fun time. So I'm gonna change into some more Christmassy pajamas because these are cute, but they're just not Christmassy enough. All right, here we go. I look like a polar bear. These are from Nasty Gal. I look like a bear and I'm excited. So let's get cooking. I think I might braid my hair because I cannot stand the feeling of my hair in my face when I'm like focused on something, trying to do something. So like baking, we don't need hair in the face. These little silk scrunchies, I love them. This is from Kitsch. They're great for your hair. They don't like break it. All right, I think we're good to go. Now let's get baking.
No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.
So I got everything out and ready. I got my cup of tea and I'm ready to make some cookies. First, I'm going to be making gingerbread cookies. So I'm using a recipe I got on Pinterest. I will link it down below. I don't know if they're good or not yet. Okay, I got everything ready. It says, in a large mixing bowl, whisk together all the dry ingredients. 3 1/4 cup of flour. That's a lot of flour. I hope these make a lot of cookies. Alright, I got my cinnamon here. 1 tablespoon, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 tablespoon of ground ginger. 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. My whisk. And set aside. I'm gonna put up here. Okay, now we're gonna cream the eggs and the butter. I do not have a stand mixer or even a hand mixer, so I'm gonna have to do it by hand. 1/2 cup of brown sugar. If I do this, I feel like a professional baker. Now we're gonna beat that. Might take some time to do it by hand because it needs to be really smooth. Whew, I'm getting tired. I would say that's all creamed in. Add in egg, molasses, and vanilla. Eggs, only 1 egg. Whisk in the egg. Molasses, 1/2 cup of molasses. Wow. Whew. Ugh. I've never used molasses before. I thought it smells better. That is not how I thought molasses smelled. Okay, molasses and vanilla. 1.5 teaspoons. Gradually add the flour mixture until it is just combined. Okay, so we need the flour. And we add the flour a little by a little. Look how cute this little Santa spatula is. My arms are tired. This is what the dough is looking like. And now we refrigerate these for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight. All right, it's actually the next day and it's time to make some gingerbread. Let's get started. Now for the icing. 2 cups powdered sugar. 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. I also don't have a piping bag, so I'm gonna use a plastic bag.
I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day. Every
Alright, the cookies were delicious. They actually turned out better than I thought. I didn't even think I liked gingerbread really, but they kind of grow on you. They're pretty yummy, so very happy with that. I'm gonna end this video here because it's nighttime and I'm ready for bed. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you tomorrow.